Good morning, homies. 6:30 a.m. Off to the airport to catch our flight back to the Netherlands. We out here grinding. Shout out to DC Dave. Missing ya. All checked in and flight is on time back to Amsterdam. About to leave to Amsterdam. First flight with Transavia Airlines. Bit smaller plane, but was good. 15 minutes early and leather seats. About to get the bus back to Harlem. Then gonna make some Italian style sandwiches like last week. Jumpers on in Harlem, it's cold. Off to get the sandwich stuff at Jumbo. It's the buffalo mozzarella that really makes this sandwich. Just need to get the bread from Oscar. Had an absolutely epic time in Slovenia and Croatia. Tomorrow we're going to do a bit of a hike around the dunes here in Harlem. Make sure to like and subscribe.